Basic computer processes. If you want to use the computer, you have to know about it and the basic processes of it. Basic processes of booting a computer, shutting down a computer and restarting a computer. Now, we'll see about booting a computer. Booting is nothing but starting or putting it in a form of readiness to use. Booting is just starting up the computer. In this process, the computer checks all the hardware and software installed or attached to it. The boot process loads an operating system into the computer's main memory or random access memory. This is starting up of window. There are two kinds of booting, cold boot and warm boot. Let me explain you about that. Cold boot. When the computer is started after having been switched off, using the on or off button is called cold boot. Normally, when you're starting up the computer after it has been switched off, that is cold boot. Warm boot. It is starting up only the operating system without being switched off after a system crash using the restart button is called warm boot. To turn the computer on, it should be in order of the three modes: off, on or sleep mode. To turn the computer on, it should be in order of the three states. Turning the computer on. Before that, you should know if it is off or on or in sleep mode. How to know if it is off? In CPU, no fan sound, monitor, no lights, power button, no lights, and also your keys will not work. If it is off, you can on the computer. On. If the computer is in on state, your switches and all is on. A desktop computer has a power button on the front. By pushing it on, you will release it and turn the computer on. You'll hear a noise like a fan or a vacuum cleaner, and some lights will appear on the front of the computer. So then the computer is on. Sleep mode. Sleep mode is also known as a standby mode. It is a power saving mode. All actions on the computer are stopped. Any open documents and applications are put in memory while the computer goes into a low power state. So while we sleep, everything goes on low power, like everything in the computer goes to low power mode.